Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to assign a project admin role to a user. First, you will have to log in either as super admin, country admin, state admin, or district admin. For example, I will be using the super admin. After logging in, click on School Management and then click on Manage User Role. Now click on Assign User Role and select the user. For example, I will be assigning the project admin to Deanne. Now select the role as a project admin and now select the project. For example, the project is the project 0 and now click on Add User Role. User map for the role successfully, click on OK. Now on the table, you will see that Deanne is the project admin and the location is project 0. As a project admin, you can also assign another user as a project admin. Please note that the project admin role is separate from other hierarchy roles such as country admin, state admin, and district admin. This role is created to manage the project within Waliku and has access to complete features and functionalities that might not be available to other hierarchy roles. Okay, and that is how to assign a project admin role to a user on Waliku Admin.